going on? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're doing a little work around the shop tonight. We're going to be getting back on Frankenjeep, doing some frame work. But first, check it out. Doing a little work on the track out back. A lot of this has now been scraped here. And this is going to be just a little jump. This is where I was tooling around last night, but now it's all kind of smoothed out. And it'll be just a little kicker, primarily for like Joe's Crossfire and the rally track, to be able to get that thing ready to go off a jump. And then on this side, this is all being dug down, and so it's going to have a little bit of a dip here. So you come around this corner here and you either go down through this and then dip up, or you come off this and it's got a little bit of a jump. We didn't want it to be a huge kicker because we just wanted it to be something for the cars to kind of launch off of, and it should do well, because then you go down through the turn, over through there, up the jump, and we're still working on some ideas over here. But anyways, just kind of want to show you what we got going here. And how long till your Crossfire is ready for rally practice?
Not yet.
You gonna shoot some video this weekend, kind of show us where you're at?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to take some video. I got some body work going on it. I still got some things I want to do before.
You got your wrap in. You'll have to show that off.
I got my wrap in.
The car is not wrapped though.
The car's not wrapped, but part of it'll be wrapped. But you won't see. I'll show you the wrap, but you're not gonna see the car wrapped yet. I want to shoot it first.
Yep.
But yeah, I'll give you guys a check-in on what I'm doing with it. Just trying to clean the body up a little bit. I'm not gonna get rid of every dent from the hail, but I mean, I'm building a race car. I might as well make it look like a race car, and not a golf ball. So. And
that's Joe's Chrysler Crossfire that he picked up. He's actually doing a true rally build on that. He's been doing a lot of body work, but we'll see where he's at this weekend. Joe, my man, what do we got going on?
Oh, a little bit of cleaning before, a little bit of mess making.
Right. So tonight we are getting back on Frankenjeep, as we mentioned. We're going to make an effort to get this frame basically done. Not necessarily all the welding done, but we're going to get everything in place and then all finish weld it. But we only got a few things left really on the back end. So we got to clean all this up here from the previous owner. And then we got to clean up some stuff back here, figure out what we're doing on each side. And then that's just about it for the frame. There's some cleanup work on the bottom we want to do. Not too terrible. Honestly, a lot of flat disking to clean it up. But we're going to get rocking on that. So Joe's already started getting all this area cleaned out for us to work. We're going to move the body. And guess what?
What? Did not quite see.
Wow. We're going to grind. Yuck. This is some nastiness here. We got yeah, I don't know what's going on with all this. So, a little bit of cleanup, and like I said, we're just gonna clean this up. Yuck. Yeah, if you remember back, I'll post a link to the video up here when we originally got this. It's we've come a long ways. I mean, the fact that this thing even looks as good as it does to this point has required a lot of work.
A lot of work.
By me and Joe. Primarily 50-50 split. Okay.
It was it was a bit exhausting, because if you go back and watch the original video with this, I started with a completely separate frame. I started with a completely separate Jeep. And the problem was that one's a little bit older, and it has a C-channel style frame. We wanted a stronger frame, which
fully boxed.
Yep, came out in the late 70s. My other one's in early 70s. So it's fully boxed. We wanted to go with this. I didn't know when I tore it apart how much body work it needed.
It needed a lot, but we're almost there.
I'd
say we're about 70% done. So we're gonna strive to get that about 20% done. Then I'll knock out the welding. But we just got to figure out what to do with all this. So most likely it'll be thin wall plating and reinforcement. We just want to make sure it's uniform side to side, especially for like this here in an area where we don't really know what was happening at all. I don't fully know, but we're gonna talk about it, figure it out. We'll show you what we do. Okay, so first things first. This area of the frame, Joe is going to grind this and basically smooth it all out. I'm gonna cut a new plate to be in reinforcement on the plasma table. Over here, there's some weirdness going on. I don't really understand why or what happened, but we don't ask questions. So he's gonna cut this off here, and we'll make the plates identical. And then the same thing back here, we've got a little bit of weakness there. And on this side, you can't really see it, but there's a little rust here. So we're going to do identical plates on that side and that side. So that is what we're going to do now.
Two hours later.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, beautiful. This frame looks a million times better. I got a little boogery there just from the way the gas was flowing, and then we'll come in with a plate right here that comes down and ties to this. So that'll take care of that structure, because normally the frame.
Well, I say we were going to close that bottom in or not, because it would be squared off like that. That's how it would normally
here?
be. Yeah. Look at the other side.
Well, we'll have a plate that comes down here.
Oh, I know. I
So
was just asking if you wanted to.
Would go like this.
No, I got it. I was just asking if you wanted to enclose the bottom.
What do you mean?
It would go like this because that's how it is on the other side. It would square off the frame. It'd just be a little flat piece in there.
Because of how much you took out?
Yeah, well, that part of the frame was rotted out. There was the whole corner, that whole edge was rotted
I
out.
see what you're saying.
If you look at the one behind you, you see how it cuts under? On a
Yeah,
sharp
we
angle.
can clean that a little bit and cut a flat piece that kind of fills that. We'll weld it on the outside, and then we'll add the plate here.
Yeah.
So. A lot getting there though. Let's get the other side tacked up. See all those bubbles right there?
Yeah, where you goobered up?
That's because the tip was clogged.
So this one here is going to have to be pressed too, so after you tack the front, I'll move it down here.
it smells awful.
It smells horrible.
Can you smell it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Do you want me to throw this sheet over your head?
Oh, it's so bad. Burning hair is awful.
Oh, that's just burning grease. Your hair's fine.
It didn't get through the titanium. Well, that definitely looks better than before. We've got to make more plate. That didn't work. I thought we could weld it, but it was obviously too thin.
Old steel.
It was, yeah, it's bad, but this side's getting cleaned up here. Got to grind a little bit down here and clean some of that, and then weld it. And like you saw, we got the inner plates, so that's all tacked up. Gonna let it cool off before we go full burn, and then a couple more plates. Like I said, we're gonna tie that down there, but man, this grinding took forever,
I gotta
dude.
pull out some pictures of this thing when we brought it in the first time.
How bad it was?
We spent 2 nights just...
All they got to do is go back and watch the original video.
Or that too, yeah, I'm saying.
Like I said, we'll have the videos from the original, how bad this thing started. It's come a long ways.
I don't think we could do another night of grinding.
52 nights later. So we're going to go ahead and now we're going to clean up a little bit, put the body back on, and then we had... Oh, you already took him. I went to grab that. It's like, where'd it go?
Oh, there's one over there. That one I got.
Either way, this body mount is the last one, just like this guy. It has to go on here somewhere. I don't really know. But we're going to put the body back on, line it up, tack that on. And at that point, all the new body mounts are on, which these look great compared to the half mounts that were there before.
We really only needed to replace 2, but since we were doing 2, we figured...
Yeah,
do them
Joe.
all.
Yeah.
Make it look right.
Do it right. That's warm. Oh, because I retacked that. It was coming off.
Yeah. Did you get it back in the same spot?
Yeah. I just matched it up. All right, let's get the body on. Well, after hours and hours of grinding, we were going to call it a night. We had hoped to get a little bit further, but, you know, that's how it goes. That was some pretty horrendous carnage.
Yeah, there's a bunch of nasty holes on this frame, but hey, it's almost done, right?
And thank God for that. No more. I don't want to grind anymore. So, anyways, if you're not subscribed, make sure you get subscribed, like, follow, share, all that good stuff. Help us get to 10K. We are almost there to 10K subscribers, and we can't wait to hit that mark. And we've got a really cool giveaway that after we hit 10K, we'll probably announce. We've got something cool we're going to be making. We might actually have a couple giveaways, but we'll get you back on that. Anyways, I am out. I need to go take a shower. Joe needs to go take a shower. He stinks. So, fist bump for you, Joe.
Oh!
Wow, that was horrible. Where's your fist? Oh, there it is. Fist bump for you, buddy. Fist bump for you guys.